Building a website sounds easy until you actually try. Most tools start off friendly and then hit you with surprise upgrade plans, feature locks, and random pro tiers just to remove their logo. What seemed like a quick, simple task. Now it's draining your wallet and your weekend. Your quick project turns into a part-time job for maintaining it. And after all that, you still end up with a site that looks like everyone else's. And sure, you could go custom. But then you're juggling hosting, SSL, deployment errors, and tutorials that assume you're already a sysadmin. It's overkill, especially if you just need a clean, simple site. That's why we built Photon Pages, a no-fuss way to build and publish fast, static websites without coding and without all the tech headaches. Getting started is simple. Drag and drop blocks, write your content, rearrange sections, design it the way you want, not the way a template demands. When you're ready, head to the deploy panel. Set your title, add SEO basics. You can also connect a custom domain if you have one, then hit publish. Your site goes live in seconds. Lightweight, optimized, and ready to share. No plugins, no version mismatches. No "it broke after the update" moments. If you've ever thought, why is this so hard for something so basic? We felt the same. Try Photon Pages and build a site that just works. Sign up today and start building.